I'm George Liquor, American! And we are Ren and... Hey! Nobody said you'd ever get an intro. So, are you boys ready to go camping? We sure are. Good, because we're gonna have to tough it out in the woods. Are you ready to tough it out in the woods? We sure are, Mr. Liquor. I forgot my litter box. Stimpy! You're such an idiot! You could just go get it right now. I'll be right back. Sorry, Stimpy's kind of an idiot. He may be a while. Oh, no, that's fine. We have all night. Except, I'd actually rather go camping at night. Well, this is pretty awkward. I'm back. Good job, Stimpy. Come on, let's get in this car. So, mister, where is your car? Well, it's right over there. You see it, right? Uh-oh, this could be trouble. Ren, it doesn't matter. We're going camping. Isn't that all that matters? When have you gone camping in my life? Well, not my life, I mean. When have we ever gone camping? We haven't, Stimpy, because it's ridiculous and there's so many bugs. Oh wait, we have gone camping. There was that one episode when we went skinny dipping. Do you remember that? Why did you say episode? Just shut up! Just shut up! I don't know, Stimpy. I'm trying to make the best of this trip and you're making me angry. If you make me too angry, I will slap you real hard. Okay, Ren, I don't want that to happen. Trust me, people, I developed carpal tunnel syndrome from every time I had to smack Stimpy. Dawn, I didn't used to be red, I used to be white. Oh well, Stimpy, I guess it's time to step out of our comfort zone and go camping in that weird-shaped car. Let's go, Ren. Mr. George is waiting for us. Hey, Mr. Legal, are we almost there? Yeah, sure, just be quiet. We're here. Come on out, we need to set up camp. Hey, Mr. Laker, what's wrong with the sky? It seems like it's night. Well, we took too long. That's fine. You like setting up in the dark? Oh. Now it's really dark. Ren, it's too dark. I'm getting scared. Shut up, Stimpy. Ren, I want to go home. Well, so do I. Do you know what? Ew! How about a little bit of this? And some of this? Ren, stop it. Yeah, stop it. Let me fight. Later. Right. Stimpy, do you have your little box? Yeah, I do. Okay, now we can go to bed. Except, I gotta take a leak. I'll be back. Night. Anyone? Done. Hey, wait a minute. This doesn't look like a tent. It doesn't even look like an RV or a camper. Yeah. Well, it's pretty impressive that we could even make that in the dark. Hey, where's Ren at? Wait a minute. Where am I?
So, I told you something we're doing on this. I told you. Somehow they're on one print.
Are you guys?
All the people of the bugs. You know, all the bird people who went over the forest make sure everything's okay.
I don't give a crap. I want to go back to my camp. I'm hungry.
Don't worry, we'll feed you. After all, we want a strong king here. Open the world.
That was disgusting. And wait, did you say king?
Yeah, you fell into the ceremonial nest. Now you have to marry the queen and become our king, because you obviously are the chosen one if you land in the nest.
Oh no, I have life to live. I have an idiot friend back at camp and some real angry person. I got to get back there. And I will not become your king either. That's ridiculous.
Okay, you're gonna get booted off the ceremonial steps then. We don't even wanna tell you what was our lines again? We didn't have any lines. I can't believe you messed this up. You don't even want to know what's at the bottom of the steps. Yeah, good job, man. Yeah, good job.
Did you say king? Yeah, I'll be your king.
Good, because we have to puke in your mouth again. That's a ceremonial thing to eat whatever someone else ate.
So, when is she getting here?
You're coming on a European land, dolphin.
Alright, everyone shut up. Okay. Listen, you know, all that crap. I really don't want to go over any of this, but, do you, bird, girl, person, we really haven't thought of a name, because, yeah, in our tribe, you know, they only get named after they're married. Do you take this chihuahua to be your husband?
Okay.
And, chihuahua, do you take this bird to be...
Hang on. I have to take a ginormous whiz. I will be back. Oh, Mr. Liquor, I don't think we'll ever find Ren. We should just give up. That's Ren's ringtone. He texted me saying he's captured by a bunch of wacko birds. Come here right now, you idiot. And 500 different crossbone emojis. Well, we better go save him. Also, if you don't come quick, I'm gonna have to be married to a bird, you idiot. And then there's more crossbone emojis. We gotta go help him. Well, hurry!
If anyone would not like these two to get married, please speak now or forever.
Let's go, Ren! Stimpy, how are we gonna get out of this? Stimpy, you said you had a plan. Oh, what we're going to have to do now? This makes me very angry. In fact, I'm so angry, I feel like I am going to... Boy, Stimpy, we sure had fun today. So long, kids. Come on, Stimpy, say bye.
Yeah, where are we going?
The show's over. See you next time. Next time? When's that? Pretty soon. Don't worry. Pretty soon? How long is that? In a little while, man. Little while? What do we do till then? Why, you could paint the grass. Or shave the chickens. Or could play with your European land dolphin pet. Oh joy.